Hey ladies, so tell me if this has ever happened to you. You're out shopping and you find an adorable dress you love. And I'm talking L-O-V-E, love. But when you try it on, it's a little too long to fit, or maybe it's a bit wide, and all of a sudden you're fearing you'll look like Frumpty Dumpty in it. Well, you put it back on the rack, whimper a little because it was almost perfect. But the new you grabs it now and makes it look fabulous thanks to your new best friend, Cinch It. With us today to tell you how you can transform your wardrobe easily and with fashion flair is Cinch It's founder and CEO, Shelly Aristizabal. So you're a mom of four and an entrepreneur, and you totally know what it's like to have these fashion faux pas where you just don't feel and look your best.
Absolutely.
Tell us how you came up with this.
I needed it. You know, I love to wear comfortable clothes, but I found that when my clothes fit a little bit better, I just felt better.
Yeah.
And there was nothing out there, so I created Cinch It.
So you created Cinch It, and they're really cool, you guys, like really simple in how they work. And I would think that most women out there will relate, and when you see how this works, you'll definitely love it. So tell us, how does it work?
I have one on right here, and basically all you do is anywhere you want to change
underneath
the fit or the style of any garment is you push the fabric through the center hole, pull it, readjust.
Oh, that's so easy.
And so this changed the style.
Oh my God.
And this changed the fit. And you know how our dresses sometimes have a lot of
Sag
extra fabric in the back? You can put it in the back.
And that'll pull it together.
Pull it.
That is so cool. Okay.
All right, here we have Emma. She's very casual and comfortable, but this top has a lot of extra fabric. So I'm gonna start in the back with all of this, and sometimes in dresses we have that too. So all you have to do is go underneath. I usually go to the small of the back, push the fabric through, and it completely changes. So now you see her waistline, looks cute in the back, but we have a lot of fabric in this top as well, so we're going to add another one. You're double cinched today, Emma. I'm poking it through the center of the Cinch It, pulling a little bit through, completely changes the look of this. And the reason I created the big Cinch It was because we found that on a lot of fabric, like maxi dresses, you want to shorten it, you have a scarf, you have a bathing suit cover up, you can push a lot of fabric through the big cinch. So we're going to take that both sides through the scarf, poke it through, I'm pulling a bunch through, and now you have a beautiful scarf, hands-free. You can use it as a bathing suit cover-up.
It stays, it's great.
It stays hands-free, it looks fabulous.
So ladies, why give away dresses, blouses, or tunics you love just because your weight goes up or down? Get yourself the Cinch It. Visit cinchit.com or give them a call at 239-449-0250. You too can look your best and feel your best without ditching your favorite duds. Again, that's cinchit.com. Don't belt it when you can cinch it. Shop and get yours today.